Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to create a professional logo using the Canva mobile app. I will walk you through each step, so grab your phone and follow along. Let's get started. Alright, first of all, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it from the Play Store or your App Store. Once you open the app, you will see the home screen with a search bar at the top. Type logo and hit enter. You will now see a bunch of logo templates. Now you can either choose a pre-made template or tap on the blank canvas to start from scratch. But I think you don't need to start from scratch. You have already good templates, you can re-edit in it. Now, if you pick a template, just tap on the next to change it. Type your brand name, business's name, or whatever you want. Now at the bottom, you will see different font captions. Scroll through the pick one that fits your style. You can also change the text size and color using the toolbar at the bottom. Tap on the plus button at the left corner, then select elements. Here you can search for icons. For example, if you are making a coffee shop logo, type coffee cup in the search bar. Once you find the perfect icon, tap on it and it will appear on your canvas. Resize it by pinching with your fingers and move it wherever you want. To change an element's color, just tap on it and a color picker will pop up at the bottom. Choose a color that fits your brand. Tap on the text effects to add glow shadow or outline to your text. So happy with your design? Great. Now tap the download icon at the top right corner. Select PNG for the best quality. If you have Canva Pro, enable transparent background for a more professional look. Tap download and that's it. Your logo is now saved to your phone's gallery. Canva offers a free plan which is great for basic logo design, but if you want premium features, you might want to check out Canva Pro. In Canva Pro, you will get unlimited premium templates, brand kit, transparent background, magic resize, premium fonts and elements. You can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days to see if it's worth it. And that's it. Now you can use it for your business's social media or branding. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy design tips. See you in the next one. Thank you.